Okay.
This is the Little PD River.
At the you said what it's
The
called?
Little PD River.
Oh, Little PD River.
You know, we got the big PD and the little PD.
You really feel for deep out here. Cause look, I ain't prepared. I got my sneakers and stuff. Hey.
Definitely gotta watch your step.
There we go. And it is on action, period.
Yo, we back at the river. Got the 12 gauge out. I called it Big Daddy. This is probably like the biggest caliber I got. We got some big guys, but it's the big dog. You ready?
Yeah.
This is a nice spot right here. Motherfucker be fishing, camping. It's your boy P. I got the 22 rifle out today. I got my sister Polo with me. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna show y'all how to use this motherfucker. I'm gonna just give her a couple tips.
Okay. Because I don't know nothing about.
There's 3 things you want to know before shooting this gun. Never put your finger in this area right here unless you're gonna shoot at your target. So just let it rest like that. And when you walk, if you get to walking with it, always keep it pointed down. You see me walking at that point down. And see how it is in my shoulder. It ain't gonna jump out your hand or nothing. And yeah, this is important too.
Is it strong?
No, this is the weakest one I got. This right, you see that right there? That's where the safety suit. I can't see how tight. Well, the scope is off. Can you shoot that? That look light, that look tough.
No, I'm trying. Wait, I gotta record it on my phone.
Let me show you.
Let me show you this. Let me show you this way.
Just let me show you like how much.
Okay, do it again.
It's not very much impact on this. This is a 22 long rifle.
Okay.
It's like the smallest caliber rifle you can get. I can even shoot it with one hand so you can know that. It's not gonna. You know what I'm saying? I got some shit that'll do that, but this one.
Yeah, I can do it.
This is for small game like squirrels, turtles, and birds. This is a bird killing machine. But I tell you, I can't even tell you how many birds I done got this month. But yeah, you want to shoot it?
Yeah.
All right, come on, I got you. With your left hand or the right hand?
I'm left-handed.
You left hand?
Yeah, so which one I got to do right here?
Yeah. However it feel comfortable with you. And remember, don't put your finger in that fire.
Right, until I'm ready to.
Let me see how you got it in your shoulder. Put it in there. Yeah, get it in there. Hold it with one hand. Drop this hand. Drop this hand. Drop this hand. Push it back. Push it back. This is gonna make sure you got it secure.
Okay. Oh, so it gotta be like right here.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you put that. Was it accurate? Was it accurate?
I feel like it was. It was dumb close. I was trying to get at it.
Okay, so let me show you how to reload it.
Okay.
This is a single bolt action gun. It's not single.
Y'all, this is my first time shooting a gun. Learn how to shoot. What is it called? What is this one?
A 22 long rifle.
A 22 long what?
A 22 long rifle.
Okay.
And let me tell you one more thing else about it. This is not semi-automatic. Like, you know, some guns you just boom.
Yeah, you have to do it every time.
Yeah,
reload it every time.
Single bolt action.
Okay.
So pull this back slowly.
Okay, so I hold it right here.
Yeah. Pull that back slowly. All the way back.
Oh,
okay.
I have
Now
to do it every time?
Yeah. Should have another chamber. Bowler bust the cap off or something.
Okay, that's the last resort.
Okay, let's see what you got. You got a target. Move it. Oh Lord. Reload. Oh, hold on. You down.
Oh,
you out of ammo.
This is a perfect example. So what happened?
You out of ammo.
Oh,
so point it towards the ground. Okay. You release the clip. Pull that button.
This one?
Yeah, push this button up. You like that?
That was nice.
You need another target.
Yeah, I need something to move like you had the thing.
You know this gun will shoot a mile long.
A mile?
Yeah. That's pretty far, right?
Yeah.
Not to say it's gonna be accurate and hit with the full firepower, but the bullet will land a mile away if it don't hit it.
Oh, I see where you put it all the way back now.
Right. Did it go way farther than that? See that?
Damn.
Yeah, that one went way down there.
Yeah.
You want to try another gun?
Sure. Yeah.
Hold
I need
on.
to show. I need to take a picture of this one so I can know what it is. I gotta remember. Cause I'm gonna get my I got it. Well, not one. I'm gonna made it a goal to get my concealed weapon thing.
Yeah, I need to get mine ASAP. Like.
Yeah. I was about to bring the ones my mom had. But
Yeah.
I didn't.
You ain't know how outside we
Yeah,
be.
I didn't know how outside we go. But because it'll fly out.
It's gonna fly out pretty hard. You ready?
Okay.
What you think about that? See. Think about that, Paul.
That shit sounds like a motherfucking phone. Goddamn.
It's close to it.
That shit will blow somebody's head off.
This will bust a door down. This will do a lot.
This is what they use in them action movies where they will
I'm
have the
telling
shotgun and they'll just...
I got one with this cut off. It's like very hard to shoot because by this being this long, it's giving us a little bit of, it's taking away some of the recoil.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You wanna try it?
Is it a big force?
It's kind of a big force, but I'm gonna be right here.
But I'm strong.
Yeah,
at
you
the back
strong
of my
and you
arm.
see
Okay,
when I was
gotta
shooting.
I gotta get the stance so I don't fall.
Right.
Okay. Got it.
And this is good because this is, you know what I'm saying, lean into it like that.
Yeah. And just hold that bitch.
Let me make sure. If it's not, it's all good. That's one.
Okay. So you said have my leg right here.
Put it in here so we ain't. You feel it? You feel it?
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
All right.
So it ain't gonna move.
It's gonna just do like that.
Okay,
right?
that's fine. So right here. You gonna put it up.
Oh, it's empty. It's empty.
Oh. I was ready.
You was
Look,
ready.
I was ready. I was like, okay, go.
That's good. We're gonna just load one in. This how you load this one. This only take.
So you would just look at the bottom and make sure.
Yeah.
You
We
can
didn't
always
look
see
at
one.
it. Yeah, you can always see one. Now, even when you put it in, you gotta chamber it.
I got you.
Now lean. Spread the feet a little bit. Spread the feet a little bit. Now lean into it. You feel it?
Yeah.
You got it tight.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, hold that motherfucker. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, now pull that shit. Pull that
So
shit.
this ain't gonna pop up on my
No,
face.
you good.
I feel like it was good.
What do you think about that?
Yeah,
You think you can do it by yourself? Or are you scared to shoot it?
No.
Or you don't want to?
Let me try it. Because
Okay.
I feel like you have to fix your fear. And how I do it.
Just push it in there.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Load it up.
That was nice.
You make it seem easy.
Yeah, that wasn't
All
bad.
right, let me see you load two more.
Okay, so you said put it down.
Yeah, the ammo right there on the ground behind you.
Oh, okay, so you said I gotta hold this first.
Now you ain't got no more in the chamber. I only put two
So I
in
gotta put
it.
this first.
Yeah.
And then I put that back.
Yeah.
And then this.
Yep.
So you loaded one. Y'all see this?
You can actually put 5 in there. Let's go ahead and put 5 in. Just push it, boy. There you go. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. Look at Fuller. But sometimes you gotta just be rough with it because it's kind of like a big piece of metal. You should be good.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Hold.
And then hold it.
Push that button already.
Put it back.
Yeah. Pull it back.
You might gotta do this one. Look, I'm messing it up.
It's all good. Sometimes you gotta put it in front of you.
Oh, okay.
It ain't want to take that extra one right there.
That's the new one that just fell out?
Yeah.
Oh, you might want
Get that. That's big right there. You want to shoot it
Yeah.
again?
Yeah, let me try. Let me get some water. This will work out right here. Or no, it's just because I got this thick ass sweater on because of mosquitoes. This thick ass sweater.
New one drop by every time.
honey. You ain't got nothing. You never drink. You ain't be drinking.
I got some water in the car.
Oh, okay.
I just hit it when I went down there.
Look,
What y'all think about this 12 gauge though, man? This is nice. This gun was made in 1960. You know what's going on in 1960?
hell no.
Segregation.
Yeah, that.
Segregation. It was kind of comfortable. I wouldn't say comfortable segregation, but that was the end part of it. Because they ended it in the 70s.
Period.
One time, look, like you got a target.
Okay, I'm gonna just do, even though I'm left-handed, I'm gonna still do it here, make it.
So now we gotta go back through that maze.
Yeah. But if I could get it
And
going.
after I shoot about 10, 15 times, I'll be like, okay, let me go to another. See, I got it in there. Man, if you be at this spot, man, we gotta try to do a little better about this fucking trash, man. Not just one person, every fucking body. Look like somebody got a trap in the water down here. I can't get to that shit.